Hello, my name is Denis Fugel. I'm Chartered Professional Accountant from Winnipeg, Manitoba, CPA, Manitoba. Today I would like to talk to you about three levels of financial statements that we have. We have compilation report, review engagement report, and auditing report. Now, compilation report not require any opinion by CPA. Review engagements and auditing require opinion from the CPA, Chartered Professional Accountants. They both done by different standards. Review engagements done by review engagement standards and auditing done by auditing standards. Moreover, usually review engagements and auditing, the requests come not from the owners. It comes from the third party, banks or insurance companies, or some partners that living in different provinces, or people who doesn't know each other but doing business together. When you're taking a loan, bank, financial institution, substantially big loan I'm talking about, can ask from you review engagement financial statements or auditing financial statements. Same with insurance. When you're having tender for a big amount of money involved, in order to participate in a tender, they can ask from you to provide insurance. An insurance company can ask from you financial report done according to review engagement rules or auditing rules. All depends on the insurance company policy. And of course, any partners that outside the province that, in order to be, let's say, it's not that he doesn't trust his partner, but in order to become that everything done according to the rules and there's no issues whatsoever, that's why they're going to ask review and audit or auditing financial statements. Now, the difference between them also in the price. Financial statements from compilation cost less money, review engagement cost more money, and auditing cost even more money. The procedures that done on each level of the financial statements is different. Like I said previously, compilations, it's only require arithmetically correct and not misleading. Review engagements, we're providing our opinion that the financial statements done based on the review engagements rules that we have in the profession and the tools that we have for the review engagement. We inquire the management or the owner. We're asking them a lot of questions, and we have analytical tools and analytical procedures that we're doing on the information provided to us. And based on this, we're giving our opinion. Auditing, we're not only asking the owners and management questions, we're not only doing analytical procedures, we're also asking for supporting documents. Part of our work, we're asking for invoices and receipts that he received or he gave, and we're reviewing that these invoices that we're sampling, not all the invoices please, only sampling, we're testing, recorded correct and exist. Please notice that's why it's our opinion and it's regular auditing, not forensic auditing. Forensic auditing is a different type of audit where we suspect that something fishy in a company and then the owner would like to discover. And it's the most expensive audit that you can only ever have because it's basically reviewing and asking every single transaction that you have in your business in order to discover what is wrong. Now, people thinking, oh my gosh, auditing, I don't want it. But in some purpose, auditing it's good. Why? Because it's giving some peace of mind and quiet in your head. Because in auditing, we're testing procedures that exist in a company. We can discover weaknesses that you can improve. And we basically also may discover, not necessarily discover, but we may discover any issue of embezzlement in the company. Now, for example, what is procedures you can ask, you can say you testing. For example, in a company you have that your person who is doing bank reconciliation is not depositing the money in the bank. Is it actually happening? This is what we're going to test, and we're going to see if your actually internal regulation that you did actually exist. And there's a lot of rules and regulations that you did inside your company in a big organization or medium, not moms and pop company. I'm talking when they have more employees. Be testing the rules that you did inside the company to prevent that people will steal from you, prevent that there will be some embezzlement, some inappropriate fund misrepresentation or allocation. So this is we might and probably will discover by doing additional testing in the auditing. Not necessarily, by the way, again, not necessarily, but because auditing not in the first place built to discover any embezzlement. This is forensic auditing field. Auditing is provided that there will be some peace of mind, and if during our work we find some weaknesses or we find some things that need to be brought to your attention, we're gonna of course tell it to you, and we're gonna express this in our opinion in the financial statements. Opinions can be clean or can be let's say not clean for the public. It's easy to explain, preserve. So now you know 3 levels of financial statements: compilation, review, and auditing. Most of the financial statements on the market, they are compilations, and only the other, let's say, part, there are review and auditing. And of course, companies that are trading on the stock market, they must be audited. The review engagements won't fly over there. But other companies who not trading on the stock market and don't have a loans and not participating in a big trends, they don't need to have review engagements and auditing. Compilations perfectly fine. And in some cases they have a long and strong relationship with bank, and they presented to the bank long time ago financial statements, or that he may not even require higher level of assurance. Again, it all depends on your relationship and in a bank internal regulations in this field. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel, press like. If you have any questions, write it. If you would like me to talk about any other different topics, please also write. Everything in writing. Everything in writing, like in a school. Subscribe to my channel, put like, and if you would like to contact me, yes, this is my business card. It's dfugel at alphabetacpa.ca. Here's my phone number or email: dfugel at alphabetacpa.ca. If you have any questions, please email me. I will try to answer them. Have a nice day.